Do you know, Lauren, this is probably the sweetest part of the Czech Festival, the Kolaches. And I'm here with Marjorie, who has been baking for more than 20 years. And she's going to walk us through the process that takes, what, like months? Months to get ready for that big day.
It's one of the sweet desserts that they have in the Czech Republic.
And these busy bakers in Yukon will make sure come Czech Festival Day, you get that authentic sweet roll to take home. And it's no small task. Around 40 volunteers work several times a week beginning in July.
I get here around 4:30 to 5 in the morning and start the mixture for the dough.
Then her husband Ray takes over and into the oven to rise.
We have 10 regulars and we work like clockwork.
Starting with the dough balls, each one is weighed and rolled onto the baking sheets, then put into the proofers to rise again.
I did not realize how much goes into baking.
Jamie Olvera started volunteering 5 years ago and has now enlisted his family.
My mom, my brother, and my 2 daughters. It gives us those memories and family time together.
While the dough balls are made and rising, Marjorie is busy with the fillings.
The prunes I had at home, they cooked for 12 hours in the crock pot.
They make 8 varieties: prune, cherry, lemon, apricot, cream cheese, apple, poppy seed, and strawberry.
So now we punch. So
punching seems easy enough.
Just make an indentation.
All right.
And more
Is that
flour.
Right? Flour. Punching.
It's not hard, it's just time consuming.
Now for the filling, and you have to get it just right. I even stepped in to give it a try, but I'm no match compared to these more experienced bakers.
I really enjoy it because it's heritage and I don't know, I just do enjoy it.
After a sprinkle from the butter, sugar, and flour mixture, these Czech pastries are ready for the oven for 21 minutes.
It's a Ferris wheel oven and it holds 24 dozen at a time.
On a typical bake day, 120 dozen kolaches will come out of this oven.
It's an all-day process.
Now for a little melted butter, and then to the cooling racks. All right, so they're finally out of the oven, the fruits of our labor, and it smells so good.
And you have a choice. You need to take a taste test now. You have the apple, the prune, apricot, and lemon.
Okay.
So whichever one you like.
What do you think? What's your favorite? You like lemon.
I like lemon.
I might try apricot.
Okay.
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 Are we ready?
We're ready.
Of course, you already know what they taste like.
What do you think?
I love it. It's
Apricot's
so good. It is good. It's like not too sweet. It's like the perfect amount. So good. This one's a winner. When all is said and done, 30,000 kolaches will be packaged and ready to sell on the first Saturday of October.
Once these doors open, the building, it's standing room only to get a hold of these Kolaches. And then people buy multiple dozens at a time.
So get to the Czech building early before they're gone for another year. In Yukon, Deanne Stein for Discover Oklahoma.
Here's how to find out more about this great Oklahoma destination. As always, travelok.com is your best one-stop shop for information about all Oklahoma has to offer. Please press like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications.